Welcome to our channel. If you want to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium and return to the free tier with ads, follow these step-by-step instructions for a complete cancellation. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to Spotify.com, the official Spotify website. Step 2. Click Log in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your Spotify username or email address and password to access your account. Step 3. After logging in, click on your profile name or picture in the top right corner to open the account drop-down menu. Step 4. Select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Spotify account overview page where you can manage your subscription. Step 5. Scroll down to find the Your Plan section, which displays information about your current Spotify Premium subscription, billing date, and payment method. Step 6. Click on Change Plan or Manage Plan to access your subscription management options and view available plans. Step 7. Look for and select the Cancel Premium option. Spotify may present you with offers to keep your subscription at a discounted rate. Review these or decline to proceed. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Yes, Cancel when prompted. Your premium benefits will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Then you'll automatically switch to Spotify Free. Check your email for confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.